Hey guys, today you'll learn how to recover your My Eyes Only pictures. So what is My Eyes? It's a tab in Snapchat where only you can see what's inside. First, let me teach you how to make a My Eyes Only folder. Go to Snapchat and then open your gallery, which is this logo at the bottom. So tap on that and then you will find My Eyes Only. You can start by setting it up and then add a passcode. And it will ask you to remember your passcode so you don't forget it. And there you go. You have one now. How do you add pictures to it? Just hold on a picture and then tap on more and then hide snap in My Eyes Only. And it should be there. There you go. But how do you recover this? So just tap on it and then click on the three dots at the top right corner and then remove from My Eyes Only. And it should be back here. It's that simple. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.